That's some cold rain. That rain's cold. What's up, everybody? Stephen Billington with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. Hopefully you can hear me okay. See me somewhat okay. It is very early. I know you can see the twilight behind me and you're thinking, Steve, it ain't early if there's twilight, but Steve's tired, man. So we're in the car, we're heading out to pre-fish for a tournament I have tomorrow. It is the Kayak Anglers of Missouri Battle of Brookfield. This is like the event for KAMO this year, if I do say so myself. Like, I am pumped up. Christian is not too far behind us. He's like maybe 10 minutes behind me, give or take, so we'll see him out there, and we're gonna go get on the water. We're gonna see what we can figure out for tomorrow, and then we're gonna call it pretty early today, drive the almost 2 hours back home, and go to bed early. So I'll see you guys on the water. Chaos is how I Alright guys, for a minute there, pause my podcast. For a minute there, I didn't even realize I had him on. Man, you really choked it, dude. That's what it's on there. Peanut butter and jelly football jig with a Goo Squad trailer. Just a little guy. That's the first fish of the day. I'm gonna get you back in there. Go on. I'm on again. Another little guy. Don't mind me, Mark. I'm just finding my way back out. Hang on, I can't hear you yet. I'm chewing lily pads. What's that? I didn't find any.
It's really good at the other end of the lake. It's hard to see it, but there's actually a rock wall there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, I threw a jig in there and I caught a couple. And I didn't set the hook on it.
That's all I caught on today was a jig so far.
Yeah.
He's had a 17.5 on. He just texted me a little bit ago.
Really?
He's like, I need that fish tomorrow. What's up, everybody? Welcome to lake number 2, Brookfield City Lake. We're just trying to get things figured out for tomorrow. Pretty boring day of fishing so far, if I do say so myself. Doesn't bode well, does it? That's all right. Yep. Yeah, it starts to continue to get deeper here. This whole shore when we were coming down, I was finding brush and stuff on it. The lack of immediate payoff is anticlimactic. I've got an alarm set for 2. The rain just needs to hold off till about 2:30.
Yeah, tell me about it.
It can wash my kayak on the way home.
I don't want to get soaking wet. I just want to get out of it.
There we go. Little fella. You just a baby. Quit it. Stop. Maybe get the pliers out. So I haven't caught anything all day because my pliers weren't out. Sorry, little fella. Well, y'all, I've got about a half an hour left before I get to load up and call pre-fishing a day to be ready for tournament day. So we're gonna go play up by this floating dock. Get off of there. Ah, you small. Look, it's a shad. It looks like a bass, but it's the size of a shad. Put me on the leaderboard, Pops.
Oh my God.
I'll use it as bait. There's my pliers. There they are. Come back here. Little fella was just too high strung. Alright guys, let me get loaded up and I will talk to you in the car. Alright guys, that wraps up pre-fish. I am soaking wet. We really got rained on pretty good at the end there. And then it stopped and we were pulling out, and no sooner did I slide the Hobie on the trailer and whoosh, it started again. And so I'm good and wet, but that was not an ideal day of fishing because we didn't catch many, but I don't know, that doesn't take any confidence away from me. I think, in all honesty, I would actually feel less confident if we had lit it up and caught a bunch of fish